Australia Trails was started by Cole Drake back in 1960. He decided there was a market there to make low loaders and specialised transport equipment. We've been at this current site up here at Wacol now for coming on 18 years. Quality control was paramount. We've always had good quality control, but the thing is we had a large contract for the Army. The contract actually made us change our processes. There was so much coming in from overseas looking like it was going to swamp us in both price and those sort of things. And what we found that we needed to make things better and more efficiently. The ABB Robotic system that we have in place out there, it's a 3-station system. It has a large fixed jig, which we do certain basic components of, but obviously they're heavy. The robot can turn at 180 degrees, and the second position, again for large components, ones that need to be rotated 180 degrees in either direction for ease of welding. The robot itself is mounted on a track, and it actually runs down through a divider into a third station, which is like the sky hook, so it goes 180 degrees in XY axis, and then it goes 180 degrees up and around the other 2 axes there, so that you can weld virtually anything in any position. And we can be setting up in one bay while welding in another with the 3 stations for this robot. So the repeatability and the ease of setup for secondary processes down the line has been fantastic. Something that we weren't sort of thinking of. ABB's had such a good name for such a long time. We'd always heard of ABB, and a lot of our subcontractors had actually used their robots in the past. And then through ABB's agent, MAR, and that they took us out to people who are actually using the ABB product. And you can just tell, it's good, strong, robust, just everything that we wanted that we're doing with the welding process. It just spoke of quality, and everybody who used it was happy with the robot and their backup and also their upgrade.